Okay, so this is my big ups video to Islandwide Express. Okay, so this is the last package I've shipped. This is stickers. I don't know who is still shipping stickers, but this is a shout out video to Islandwide Express. Really reliable service.
Pleasant morning, team Islandwide Express. I just want to give you a big thumbs up. Also want to say a big thank you for letting me get in my packages on time without delays. Once more, I just want to say a big thank you to you all.
I just want to big up the team of Islandwide Express Shipping Company. Guys, you are the best. You are reliable. I have so much questions at time and you're patient in answering my questions. I can depend on fast shipping. I can depend on my quotation coming at the right amount.
Hello everyone. I've been using Islandwide Express for quite some time now, like 3 to 4 years, somewhere there. I've never had issues with them. The service that they offer, the fact that my parents can get their package right at home, that give me a sense of security.
I think it was a voice note regarding, and I said let me just give them a try, and I was pleasantly surprised because I used to have to go to my shippers and collect the stuff, with all the things, the customer service things that they did, it still did not match up. And however, I tried one package with Island Express, and what happened was a pleasant surprise for me because one, I didn't know that they would take it straight to my door. And so I was at the office one day and I got a call that they were at my house to deliver something, and it was so easy, so big up the guys at Islandwide Express. You are doing an amazing job.
Big shout out to Islandwide Express and the hardworking members of Islandwide Express team. I first signed up with this company when I saw an ad about shipping laptops and back to school devices free, and I gave them a try, and my first package indeed was free. Got a free shipping coupon, used it, and I got my package shipped for free.
Hey, I want to big up the team at Islandwide Express for their hard work and dedication. I was out of a shipping company for a while until I stumbled upon Islandwide Express on Instagram. I decided to give them a try. The process was simple. I received my package with no issues, and I look forward to doing business with them again.
Hey guys, it's Sam here. I would like to give a big shout out to Islandwide Express and their hard workers for delivering so much packages on time, and I really appreciate them, and they should get more support, and I really hope more people could enjoy this wonderful business that you have, because it's been great. All my packages that I ordered, they were delivered on time.
But a friend of mine introduced me to Islandwide, and I said, all right, let's give it a try. I am here to say thank you so much, guys. I am pleased, I am happy. I've been getting my goods on time. Nothing damaged, nothing broken, from big things to the little weeny things. And yes, I have made some mistakes, and sure, Islandwide has so correct me, and I'm so happy with that.
Yeah, I want to big up Islandwide Express. I met them on the internet and said, okay, I'll give it a shot, and I was never disappointed. So I want to big up the whole team, Islandwide Express. You're not shipping with Islandwide Express. What are you waiting on? Let's do it.
I'm just making this short video to big up Island Express for their fast, reliable, efficient, and convenient shipping service. If you want to ship something to Jamaica, I would recommend them to you. You won't regret it. If they give you a shipping date that your item will be shipped on this particular time, I guarantee you that it will do.
Hey, I want to give a shout out to Islandwide Express. They have been extremely dependable. I was referred to them by a friend, and I was really, really not in a haste to use them. I think I knew about them about a year before I actually started, but when I started using them, it was indeed a great success because I live all the way in California and it's so expensive to ship stuff, and sometimes you really want to get stuff out in like a week or so, and that's what they do best.